It's not good. Okay. Oh, by the way, in response to the questions from a couple of you guys, I want to officially the form one the student club here. Oh, you don't have seats? That's okay. You can stand. Right. That's called the Linux Club. Okay, Linux Club is very, very popular in most universities. So I'm going to set it up for you guys. It is a student club, not the faculty. But I'm going to be a supporter, also fundraiser. I'm going to bring some money from the universities to support you guys. So Linux Club is very, very useful. You guys build up your computer skills and also the Unix and Linux, the infrastructure buildings from your file servers to networks and managing all kinds of the infrastructures. So we'll start a little bit of those. I didn't formalize all yet, but if I can share with you guys a little bit, then I think, yeah, I made a little bit, but I will formalize this later. If it is, then I will share this with you. I didn't finalize it yet. So this plan will be discussed with the dean. We have an interim dean. Interim dean was picked up from our department, a friend of ours. So I think he will be very, very supportive. It's not really clear, right? How can I add this? No. For example, if I can add them all and yeah, maybe in this way. Is it okay now? I think better, right? Yeah. So I'll be your advisor and student officers. So if this is formalized, then I'll give you a copy of those. Not all of you need to be participating here. Only those who wants to, okay? Only those who wants to build and help each other. This is a club, not just learning. Learning, we can, yeah, from this class you can learn, and also you can extend your knowledge and skill sets wider and deeper. Okay, so we need to set up student president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and lab corporates. Lab coordinator. Committees, yeah, all others will be do a little later. Maybe a workshop. Of course, this is possible. Competition. We all have also cybersecurity club. That team, I know many of you already a member of that cybersecurity club. The skill sets required for the competitions, the most significant tech related with the Linux understanding and Linux skills. So Linux is a little side, and then cybersecurity club is on another side. So you guys can participate both of those, right? Or one or the other. So you can also participate in that competitions. Mercy University so far, the one students ranked national top 4 out of 5,000 students. It was a long time ago, before COVID-19. Okay, he is now working at I think Blackstone, the IT teams. So you guys can do. And many of your alumni, by the way, so control cybersecurity teams of Columbia Medical Center. Whole teams, all are from Mercy, cybersecurity graduates, Columbia Medical Center. Okay, as far as you know, as I know. And Westchester Medical Center also, there are quite a few. I didn't know, but when I went there once, and then I was as somewhere as a patient, and one guy came, "Oh, Professor, what happened?" And he's our graduates. So here and there, many of our alumni are working and contributes. So you guys can follow them through the clubs. Okay, cybersecurity club and the Linux club. So Linux club is one that we want to kick off. Okay, sooner, in a couple of weeks when I finalize this draft. Membership engagement, eligibility. You are all eligible. Okay, membership. I think we need to do it semester by semester, right? I'm not sure. We will find that a little bit. We can learn that a little bit from cybersecurity club. Activities, weekly or bi-weekly meetings. I'm thinking of maybe after Tuesday or Thursday class. We simply stay here. You guys stay here a couple of more hours and work together. And if you need some food, I can get some fund so that you can. All right, will be funded. So lectures and demos. So best idea is initially, let's say if you have 10 members, then each one study and practice and develop a little bit, and then you can give a demo. Okay, each one has picked different topics, and then give a demo. You can take turn that way, through which you can improve. You can build up your skill sets. That's what we can do. And from time to time, I can also contribute my lecture to you guys, my workshop. Okay. Special event. I can also invite some tech guys from outside, so we can listen, or you can ask for questions, or you can build up some human network with the speakers. I'm thinking of a first speaker is from our IT, university IT teams. Okay, there is real knowledgeable guys. So I will invite that guy, give us a lecture. Many others. I will introduce that later, not today. Today we'll set up a VNC. Before we set up VNC, I think we need at least to know some of the Unix command. Unix is a formal version of Linux. Linux is a student exercise in early 1990s, and then more and more group joined that workshop. And now Linux is really big tech community. Unix is a more formal the language. So Unix command can be very simple. Usually in this way: command followed by options and arguments. What is a command? Command is nothing but your program. As a developer, you code your program, right? That program is called, when that program is running on the operating system, then we call it command. I know you guys took Python code and Java maybe, right? You still take Java course? Or? You guys, that is required, right? So Python and Java, so you already know two languages. We can make command using the language that I know, right? If you develop a command, then you are command developer. If you want to use only, then you are command operator. Both are very useful. The title. I know you can join the team of operation teams or development teams. But these days, as I introduced in the first class, DevOps is more demanding. Okay? DevOps means development and operations together. So while you are operating, you also want to develop it. Okay? It's not like, oh, I'm developing only, you guys need to operate it. If you have any problem, let me know. I'll redevelop it. It's not like that, right? You develop and you also operate. So this is typical Unix and Linux command. So ls is for list, so that it can list the content of the current folder. So you guys can be in a specific folder. Your prompt is in that folder. So you can type ls so that you can get some list. So ls is one of the command. Okay. ls may not need arguments, or you can add arguments. If you want to ls and some directory or folder, subfolder, you can do that. Then subfolder is an arguments. Not required. In this case, if there is no arguments, it means myself. Okay, that's what it is. And then there is an option -l. If you want to list in the long format, then you can do ls -l. You can add more options together, -a, -l together, so that -al or la. A means all, L means long, all together. If I explain like this, then it's not really practical, right? So now it is time that we need to connect our Raspberry Pi. So I have it here, Raspberry Pi. A few minutes ago, I set up VNC. I will share with you how VNC can be configured. Okay, so okay, this is my monitor. Actually, yeah, I'll start with a little later. This is a little later. And then I have this is Raspberry Pi, and I will do plug here. Okay. And then monitor. Plug others here. I need more space here. Okay. Okay, so my Raspberry Pi is up and running right now, right? Because you cannot see this on the screen, let me try if I can present it directly over there. I'm not sure. Here's what I will do, because I already set the router. I'll show it to you here. We have here not enterprise editor, not enterprise Wi-Fi, but the hidden Wi-Fi, which is inside the enterprise infrastructure. So little. Lost. I didn't do anything. Oh, okay. So if I show to you up here, okay, then there is a MAH, there's a mail hall, dash CIS lab, dash Wi-Fi, all uppercase, okay, that I want to show to you here. See here, MAH, CIS lab, dash Wi-Fi, that I connected from my laptop. As you can see there, it is not really clear, but but it's being recorded so that you can see it more clearly. So your laptop should connect to our hidden Wi-Fi. Password for that is cyberlab@mercy5. Okay, the same thing that you can do at your home router. Your home router and also our hidden router are not really different. Okay, they are very similar. So you can put SSID, that is the router SSID, ID name. If you see your home router, then it shows, for example, Verizon something. If you subscribing Verizon or Wi-Fi, so that is the name. So you pick that name on your Wi-Fi connections, and then put the password. So that I connected that, and also I set up here on my the Raspberry Pi, because I cannot show this to you, but I already set up the VNC. So I will bring my VNC here. Where is my VNC? In order to get it, so I need to get application here, and then there is a VNC viewer. On this VNC viewer, I set it up here, mail hall 112, and this is my name, John Yoon, and password here, as I said, I put there Mercy, and connect. So this is my Raspberry Pi monitor that you can see here. So what I did here, my Raspberry Pi, here the router, if you click this, then it says mail hall CIS lab Wi-Fi, right? The exact same one that I set up. Okay. Once they are connecting to the same router in our lab, that particular router, at home, each of you guys, then you need to set up your home router, your laptop, connect to the same router as you do here. When you see your, give me a second. When you see this, your mail hall, this router, it doesn't show up here, but if you don't see that, then bring that terminal. I brought that terminal up, so I don't really need this, right? Because I can see over there. So IP, if you type IP address, then you can see that IP here, 192.168.200.4. That's what I set up here. This, if I want to see this property, then I put exact same IP address here, 192.168.200.4. This IP is the IP that I can see here, right? This is my Raspberry Pi. This one is my laptop VNC viewer program. So I need to enter that IP address, and then this is the way that I configured here, and I name it. I have many others, so wherever I go, I use it. For example, MT. Then when I go to Manhattan campus, I connect this. When I do, for example, WWP, when I back home, then I'm using this. This is a new Raspberry Pi. This is an old Raspberry Pi, and things like that. So I have quite a few the VNC viewers which can connect to my Raspberry Pi. This VNC viewer is not only connected to your Raspberry Pi, it can connect it to your cell phones. Cell phone, you download the VNC app onto your cell phone, then you can see your Raspberry Pi terminals from your cell phones, handy, right? Not only from your laptops. As far as their VNCs, they can communicate. On your laptop, you set up VNC, as I showed you to. I'm not sure, did I show it to you? Here there is a property, the preference. Then there is a Raspberry Pi configuration. This, click that. And then there is a on top interfaces. Click, and I turned on the VNC. See, this is VNC. I turned it on. SSH, that also turned on. What is SSH? There's a secure shell. I'll show that to you. If you set up SSH, then you can directly connect from your terminal. This is my terminal, right? That is a laptop terminal. There I can do SSH. And then my name is John Yoon at 192.168.200.4. Remember that what is IP of this? That is this, 192.168.200.4, right? In this IP, there is a user Jae-yoon. How do I know Jae-yoon? If you type here ID, then who? Jae-yoon, right? This is a guy Jae-yoon. So I want to connect that Jae-yoon from my see here two things. This is a VNC connection. This is a SSH connection. VNC from my laptop application program. SSH from my laptop terminal. So if I hit enter, then it says, are you sure you want to continue to connect? If you say yes, and then it asks you to enter the password. So I can say, my password is what? Mercy. So I am there. See here? Can you see the prompt? Jae-yoon Raspberry Pi. That is exactly the same as that one, right? So here, if this black terminal, that is on nothing but my Raspberry Pi terminal, right? This is that terminals. I didn't use this, but same as that one's, right? This is Raspberry Pi terminals. There, if I see who are currently with me, W means who, so I type the W, and it shows Jae-yoon, Jae-yoon, Jae-yoon. I think 3 Jae-yoons. How come 3 Jae-yoons? Let's see what happens. But last Jae-yoon, that comes from 192.168.200.2. This is from my laptop, my MacBook. I'll show it to you here. How can I get MacBook, that is old. I forgot that one. The command is, it's not command, it's not. Oh, it has also? Oh, okay. So laptop, oh, this is from, this is a still Raspberry Pi. I'm going to bring another shell. This terminal is my laptop terminal. This terminal originally my laptop, but it connected it now in Raspberry Pi. Okay, here IP may not be available, right? So IP command is not found. So let's see, what is IP command in?
It's IF config.
Yeah, I have config, right. Thank you.
Same thing. Windows.
I have config, then the thing that I want to show to you here, this is EN0, that's this. 192.168.202. This is my laptop. So this guy shows, oh, you guys are connected from 192.168.202, right? That is the third login. Second login is TTY1. That is typical terminal. And then first one is same as that one. When I log in this together, this guy is wait for something. Remember that the first time it asked me to choose one or the other, but because I didn't do that, it shows twice here. So two of us now shown here. Okay, this is something extra. I know you guys may not know what I am doing right now. That's okay. But let me go back to our what is my lecture notes? This is okay here. This is the lecture notes. So I am going to follow this a little bit. Okay, how? So currently, Unix command or Linux command, that is nothing but program. Somebody programmed and then make it executable and put it on my operating system so that I am able to use it. Okay? So it is nothing special. It is something that you could do as well. So what we will do, okay, first attempt, only one session, 1 hour in this semester. I want you to practice how to develop. And the rest of this semester, we want to focus on how to operate. Okay? So keep in mind, when you see the operating systems, two things possible: development and operations. So let's for the development first. And then we will do, the development a little later, next week, not today. So we'll do a little bit, the structure of the command. There's another command like mkdir. Mkdir means make directory. If someone wants to see, oh, is there any help desk that I can see any of this command that I want to know more? Yes, there is. So here you can simply say help and ls. Oh no, not help. Man ls. Man for manual. Okay. I think this is better, right? Yeah. Man ls and hit enter. Then it shows ls means list directory content. Directory means folder. If you are familiar with the Windows systems. Okay. And then synopsis, how to use it, ls, followed by option. So these are the option list. And then file. This is the arguments. In our case, I'm going to bring more one more terminal. Click that, then I have extra terminal here so that I can show to you. So if you say ls, then simply list, right? List of current directory, current directory content. What's available in the current directory? It's not really clear. You cannot see these blue characters, right? By the way, anybody has the Raspberry Pi running? Oh, great. Anybody wants to run your Raspberry Pi right now? I can lend you my monitor here. What? You're running your Raspberry Pi right now? Yours? Should you set the VNC? Yours? Oh, okay. Anybody wants to use my monitor? I want you guys go with me. I don't want to move only myself going forward.
Is it okay if I, is this setup okay? Is this fine with you?
Oh yeah. Oh, is it? Oh, you use that monitor.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. You are smart. Yeah. Did you set up your? Oh, did you bring your Raspberry Pi? Anybody wants to borrow my Raspberry Pi? Okay. Yeah.
First one. Can we go again over the header network? I just need the SSID.
It's in the
No, that I recorded by myself. I'll post it, so you can follow that video clips. Okay, that's more clear. Here in these classrooms, the monitor is not really clear for you to follow. But I recorded it from my laptop. That video may be much clearer, so they can follow that. I'll post that. And I will, okay, here. Okay, you can use this.
Thank you. Can I also borrow your keyboard?
Yeah, I got one.
Keyboard.
Never mind. I'm gonna borrow it. Thank you.
You can use mine, of course.
No, it's fine. You got a lot of wires.
It's messy right now. Yeah. So you guys see it over there. What's going on? I'm worrying about these guys. I think you. I know you. Yeah. You just received. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good question. Right. You don't see. Hey, listen, everybody, listen. The router that we have here. That's why I said that is hidden. Okay. So if it is hidden, you cannot see even the default list there. What you need to do that, you need to type it. So there there's other network. Yeah, other network. Click on other network, and then you type MAH dash CIS lab dash Wi-Fi all uppercase. Dash CIS. Oh no, CIS lab. That is in the search. And then dash Wi-Fi. And then the password is cyber lab at Mercy 5. All lowercase.
What was the password to the Wi-Fi?
Cyber lab at Mercy 5. All lowercase. You got it? Oh, great. Similarly, from your Raspberry Pi here at the lab, you don't see it because it is hidden. So you find out you manually enter that SSID and password. After that, you can tag called hidden lab, hidden Wi-Fi.
Well, I'm going to put this video right here.
From our the blackboard.
Right here.
Any recordings? Yeah, I do have you can do that.
I'll probably do this back here.
Oh yeah, please. For VNC, you have to download the VNC VO on your laptop. You already downloaded it? And on your Raspberry Pi, there is a VNC setting. You have to set it up on your VNC. Look here. As I said, here Raspberry Pi button. Then there's a preference. And then Raspberry Pi configurations. Then there is a tabs on top. I want you to click interfaces. And then you need to turn this VNC on. Then your Raspberry Pi is ready for VNC communication. And when you activate your application on your laptop, VNC viewer, then it is ready. And then you can use the correct IP address.
Professor, I'm going to say this is interesting. This is interesting. I never used these. I never used these before.
There's a case. You don't need to, yeah.
My first time using these. I haven't used one.
Connected to PC is through VNC. Yeah, not directly. No. Only through the Wi-Fi route. Oh, only one, yeah. The VNC connections, I want you to practice that at home first. Okay? Because the router here at school is a little bit trickier. So you have to get some experience the home connection first. And then next week we'll also redo this VNC connections. Okay? So that you can get better understanding. I think this is it for today. Not everybody's ready. Go, right? So, thing is this. Till next, I will. Oh, here is what I ask you to do. For your homework assignments. Okay. For example, here PS1 equal like this. Oops. It should be PS1. Yeah. PS1 equal John. I typed this. Then that is my prompt. Okay. So I want you to do PS1 and your name on your laptop, okay, and your home VNC configuration done. What I want you to do, I want you to make a screenshot of yours, so it shows your Raspberry Pi screen on your laptop. Entire your laptop needs to be screenshot. For Mac users, you can do holding down Command and Shift 3, then entire. You have to from outside. Command Shift to number 3, then everything can be. This is confused which one is images. This is the image. This one needs to be submitted like this. Okay. This is the images. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I will explain that on the homework assignments too. Actually, two things. You have to set up your VNC through your home network so that you can show your laptop monitor, your Raspberry Pi terminals. There, I want to make sure that is you. So PS1 equal your name, quote. Make sure there is no space between equal and your PS1. PS stands for prompt statement. This is a prompt. This is a prompt statement. Originally here, if you here, what is a prompt? Prompt statement is this: my login name, @ and my device name. There is a colon, and then tilde. That is my path expression. So, for example, if I go to top, then it shows this slash. If I do here top var, then it shows here top var. This is already set as a prompt statement. That prompt statement for your exercise, I want you to put here PS1 equal your name within quote. Therefore, like this appears on your homework assignments. That is your deliveries. Okay. So your homework assignments is only one screenshot that shows your laptop content, anything that you have on your background of your laptop, where there is your VNC connection to your Raspberry Pi. So Raspberry Pi monitor terminal appears, where there is a the prompt statements.
And it's still next week.
That is due day before next week. Okay. All right. So I want to make sure why I give you this homework assignments, because I want you to make sure that everybody is get ready your Raspberry Pi by next week so that we can move forward. Okay. See you next week.
So when would the homework be? How many?
Day before next class. So Monday evening.
Monday before midnight.
Correct.
Wait, this Monday or next Monday?
This Monday.
Huh?
What day is today?
Oh.